swatched? Like, are they swatched? I don't know. Can you guys see that? Like, look, that is definitely swatched. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for October 2020. This is a $25 monthly makeup / beauty subscription. And this is the one that I paid for. So if you want to see what's inside and what do I think about the Boxycharm base box, then keep on watching. Alright, so this just came, I say this in every video, this literally just came today. I did get the base box and I also got the premium, what I paid for. I do get Boxycharm in PR, but they've been sending it to me later and later, and I think that they already shipped it, but it won't come till like Thursday. Today is Tuesday when I am filming this. And I notice a lot of people in PR get theirs like the first week of the month. I don't, because I don't think Boxycharm likes how honest I am. You know? I don't act like it's, you know, the greatest box every month. So I noticed, and I don't know if that's the reason why, but I noticed that that doesn't come to like almost the end of the month anymore. And you guys have been asking me where my PR box has been. So I just wanted to explain what was going on with that. But like I said, this is one that I paid for. So let's just open her up. Let me find my little cutter. Alright, so when you open her up, it says, "Hello, Charmer." And you always know the difference between the base box and premium because the base box has the red and the premium has the blue. So let's open her up together. And there's a little sneak peek. Not too much. Alright, let's go on to the card. Alright, so the theme for this month is Candy Shop. Remember that song? Welcome to my candy shop. Can't sing, but all right, and let's see, I have variation 73. All right, this weighed 1.3 pounds. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I see. So we have some sponges here, it looks like from Hip Dot, and this is really cute how they have it. Let's see, how do you open it? I guess you do this, you know, it's like a drawstring, but let's see how you open it. Oh, you just open her up. Okay, let's see. So you get two sponges, and I love sponges. So you have like a regular size and you have like a tiny size. And this is really good for like getting that concealer and stuff. And I love these sizes. And they feel really, really good. So that's good. All right, let's see how much this puppy is. All right, $18 for two. I haven't tried these, so let me know it down below if you had tried this before. Have I tried I think last month I got an eyeshadow palette from the brand. All right, so there we go. Now, Boxycharm does have a choice item every month. This is what I chose. So I chose the Murad Hydration Exfoliating Cleanser. The only thing that I don't like, so I just got these today in the mail, right? And yesterday was your choice and add-ons. And because I didn't get this yet, I didn't know what was in my box. And that's what I don't like, because it's like, I didn't pick this, but what if I wanted it? It was like that FOMO, you know, and then it's in my box and I just kind of like wasted my money. So I don't like that they do that. I think they should do it like the following month, you know, until you get your box. I don't know. That is just my opinion. But like I said, this is what I did choose. I love this so much. And this is $40. Holy crap. But I love exfoliating my face. Love it. All right. The next thing, okay, so this is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Kiss. Now, I did pick out two of these for my add-ons. Like I said, I didn't know this was going to be in the box. And I think, oh, excuse me, I think I picked it out for like $4 a piece. There were 3 colors, and I picked out the 2 darker shades. And yeah, see, this is saying it's $20 when I got it on add-on for $4. All right, what shade is this? It looks like the lightest shade. I don't know where the shade is. Maybe it's on here. Let's see. So this is like tinted moisturizer. And the packaging is really, really pretty. I do like that. And I don't know if this is I think this is the lightest shade. Let's do a little swatch. Yeah, so you can hardly see it on my skin, but that's what it says it is. That's why I picked the 2 darker shades, so it has some kind of pigment. Yeah, and it's just more like a tinted lip balm. But oh, it smells good. But I am really glad to get this. So, all right, because I go through lip balms like a lot. Like here, I got this in, I think it was like the pop-up. Do you guys remember that? And look, it's almost gone. So like I said, I do go through a lot of lip products really quickly. All right, and what did I say? Yeah, that was $20. All right, the next thing is from Grown Alchemist. What is this? What you be? It looks familiar. Did I get this before? Let's see. This is a matte balancing moisturizer. It says a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. And it is, I know you get tired of me putting these puppies on, but I gotta make sure, I mean, because it's like $69. Holy cow. Like I always say, that's why I like subscription boxes, because even if I did like it, I just cannot afford $69 for like a moisturizer. All right, let's see. Let's see if it has a safety seal. Yes, it does. All right, so let's pop that puppy, pop the cherry. And, all right, let's see how it feels. $69. Wow. All right. Has like a clean scent, not too like strong, which I like that. And it feels really good. All right, so. And there we go. We have that. And last but not least, we have the Pretty Vulgar. This is the Nesting Bitch Face. Do you know what's funny? This is a face palette. So a lot of people always say I have the resting bitch face. They always say that. Or people always think I'm mad because like when I'm walking, I'm just like thinking, you know, and I guess I do have that face. It's like people are scared to talk to me. All right, so you have a nice mirror. And is this swatched? I'm not sure if this is you know, these shades, this one, and this one. Let's see if I could, are they swatched? I don't know. Can you guys see that? Like, look, that is definitely swatched. Do you know, my friend Abby got a swatched palette, and why? This isn't the first time I have a swatched palette. Like, what is going on, Boxycharm? Can't tell if that's like swatched or is it just the way it's pressed. And then even on the blush, can you guys see the way these lights are? I don't know. I hope you guys can see. Can you see? All right, so I'm not going to swatch that, but all right, let's see how much this puppy is. And that's a shame, but this is $32. Wow. All right, so let's recap what we got in my Boxycharm. So we have this palette. I'm not sure if it's swatched. It looks swatched, but I don't know. But the artwork is really, really pretty, though. That's really pretty. That's why I wish they come in boxes. And I know to save money, that's why they don't pay for the boxes. But when it's not in the boxes, it's not secure, right? And you know what I noticed? It didn't have one of those protecting things over it either. Okay, so we have that. We have the Sol de Janeiro. This is the lip butter, which I don't even tell anymore because I did put the lotion on. I'm really glad to get this. It says it's worth $20. Like I said, I got it on add-on for like $4. All right, and then we have this moisturizer for $69. Wow. We have this for $80. This was my choice item, and I'm really happy to get this. So these two are probably like, I don't know. And then we got the sponges. Probably these three I'm really excited for. I'm excited to get a cleanser, but I get so much, especially in Ipsy, right? Ipsy, we get a lot of skincare stuff. So it's like, if I didn't get so many subscriptions, I would be glad to get this. Do you know what I mean? And then we got that face palette. I don't know. I will add everything up and put the prices like right around here. So you pay $25. I definitely think that the value is definitely there. I think Boxycharm is definitely worth the price, especially if you're just getting into makeup and you don't know what you like or not, or what subscription box. I definitely recommend Boxycharm. They just got to get it together, you know, with the palettes and stuff. All right, now if you're still here and you're wondering what is on my eyes, a lot of you guys always ask me, because I pre-record my videos, I start forgetting. I have on today by Midas Cosmetics. This is the, what is it called? High Times. This is the only thing that I have on my eyes. So let me show you what it looks like. This is the first time. I had this for a while, but this is the first time that I use this palette. It has a mirror, but these are the colors right there. So I have this right here in for my transition. Then I deepened it up with this color here. And then, let's see. For my lid, I put this green color here. Like, look at this, guys. Woo! That is gorgeous. And then I went on top with this color right here. And then I deepened up my eyes. I mixed the brown and this dark green right here. And that's how I got this look. And then I went in with a ColourPop, like a green eyeliner. Yeah, I really like Midas Cosmetics. I do. I love the indie brands. All right, so that is everything. And then on my lips, I have a Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the color, I believe it's Mudslide. I do have a code with Gerard Cosmetics. You do get 30% off. It is Just Ann. So I love their setting sprays. But I have that lip liner on, and then I went over with some kind of generic lipstick, and then my Lunar Beauty lip gloss. It's a clear lip gloss. You guys ask me a lot, like, what do I have on my lips? And I always do, like, custom shades. I mix a whole bunch of shades together. So, all right, that is everything. So let me know down below, what did you get in your Boxycharm? Like I said, I got variation 73. Let me know, are we box twins? Did we both get swatch palettes? Let me know down below. Also, do you get Boxycharm? Did you cancel? Let me know all the tea. I really want to know what you're thinking about Boxycharm. Also, let me know what is your favorite subscription box right now that you do get. Let me know in the comments down below. So if you like this video, or if you like me, you like unboxings, please consider giving this video a like. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second. If you like subscription boxes, unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Make sure that you hit it twice. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. What is going on with these swatch palettes, Boxycharm? That is nasty. Nasty.